meeting up with some of the homies. They out of Cedar Grove. They call themselves the Grove Gang. They getting on one of my shows. So you know what I do. Going over here to meet them. Give them a receipt. I'm kind of explaining to them what's going on with the show, you know. Swinging. Nah.
No rerun, no bars, no bootleg, no bars. I'm up against no odds. Movies and jewelry up against my heart. I pitch flounder. I get it from the founder. Dirty money under that table. I spend it over that counter. Ain't a hustle.
What up with it?
I'm eating now.
Shit. Good with y'all boys, man. Word up. What up with it? I ain't just trying to get it.